How to use Clickup management website easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Clickup's management website. So let's get into it. Now, Clickup is a management platform that will enable you to create a virtual space where you can manage all of your work. So if we take a look at Clickup over here, so Clickup has quite a few different solutions available for any kind of team and any kind of type. So if you're a startup, nonprofit, enterprise, or if you're looking to manage projects or manage your entire business or use this as a CRM, all of these functions can be accomplished by using ClickUp. Now, to get started with ClickUp, all we're going to do is you're going to go on to clickup.com and then you're just going to click on sign up on the top right over here. And then you're just going to enter your email address. And I'm just going to do that. So you're just going to enter your email address and your sign up process will begin. Now, once you have signed up for ClickUp, this is going to be your basic dashboard. So over here on your left, you're going to see your homepage, your notifications, your pulse section. So you might be wondering, what is the pulse section? The pulse section is a section that enables you to see who is online, who is offline, and who was working when. So this will enable you to create timesheets. If you're a manager, then you can easily monitor your team's work using this method. Now, if we go on next onto our left navigation panel, we have goals. Then below that, we have favorites. So we can favorite a certain workspace. Then you have spaces, you have your dashboards, and then you have docs. So on your bottom left, you have your different workspaces. So you can see I have multiple different workspaces, and we're going to get started by creating a new workspace. So all you have to do is click on your bottom left over here, click on this plus icon over here, and now we're going to name our workspace. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to name this workspace, let's say this is going to be a burger shop. So this is going to be the name of this workspace. Let's say I'm actually using this to manage my burger business. So I'm going to continue on over here. Then you're going to be adding how many people will be working with you. So let's say 2 to 5. Then you can invite people to your workspace or, add all of your teammates, clients, people that are going to be working with you. Then you can integrate any of these applications if you're already using them. So if you're already using something like Slack, Zapier, Zoom, you can integrate them over here as well. Then if you have some tasks, if you were previously using some other project management software or business management software, you can easily import all of your data for free, but we're going to skip that. And now we're just going to click up to get started with our new workspace. Now, what is the basic difference between workspaces? Now, within a workspace, let's say this is for my burger shop. So within this workspace, I can create different spaces. I can create different boards, which will enable me to separate different sections of my business. So I can create one board, so I can rename this space and just rename this space over here. And I can name this finances. So after naming this finances, this can be a board that I have specifically reserved only for finances. Then I can click on new space on the left over here. And then maybe I want to create a space for daily tasks. And then I'm going to choose who I want to share daily tasks with. So I want to share it with everyone within the burger shop workspace. And then I'm just going to click on next, next, next. And then I can create a separate space for just the daily functions of my business. So these are just separate board spaces that you can create within a singular workspace. The workspace in general, the larger workspace, is the burger shop workspace that I have opened. And if I click on home, it will lead me to the burger shop home. If I click on my spaces over here, so I have the finances board in my workspace. Within this specific board, within this specific space, I can create different boards and different lists and different items and categorizations. Now, below that, if I take a look at my bottom left, so you can see I have other workspaces over here as well. So what the difference between this is that if I have something in the burger shop workspace, I cannot send it into my personal workspace or any other workspace that I create. So this is something that you need to consider if you're looking to, set up your IT business. So you're not going to separate two major functions of your employees. Like let's say one is your IT team and one is your marketing team. You're going to put them all in one workspace because otherwise your data and all of the input that you have is not going to be interchangeable. So data within separate workspaces cannot be exchanged. Now, to get started with setting up a simple business, let's say we're going to click on new space over here, and then you can click on templates over here as well. And then you can load one of the different templates that are available for project management, for a lot of different things. There are a lot of different templates available for free on ClickUp. So you can get started with one of these templates, or you can get started by your own as well. We're going to continue with a empty canvas. So I'm going to click on new space and I'm going to name this daily tasks. And then I'm just going to click on next. And then I want custom field, multiple assignees, tags, and next. Then I'm going to click on review space, and then I'm going to add the avatar. I'm going to click on review changes. And then I'm going to click on create space over here. So you can see, first off, I have my daily task, then I have my finances, and within my daily task, so if I open this up, I have one list over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on rename, and this could be cleaning chores. So I have my first list, and within this list, now I can start typing in the different tasks. So whatever the tasks are, I can add them over here, and you can add a lot more details as well. So what you can do is you can click on the task that you're creating, then you can see you can add your assignee from over here. You can add the priority of the task. Then below that, if you have like a specific subtask, you can add those over here. So within a singular task, we can add multiple subtasks. So let's say if a larger task is to clean the laundry room, so you can add these specific things that need to be cleaned. So whatever are these specific subtasks within a larger task, you can add all of that over here as well. And then the person that is doing the task can mark them off one by one. So there is a progress bar that will be shown, so you can further have a better hold on your business. Now, below that, you also have the attachment section where you can add multiple attachments to your task if there are any that need to be added. Then on your top right, you can add your due date, and then you have your viewers or followers or watchers, and you can add multiple people over here as well so they can monitor the progress of the task. Now, this is a to-do list. If I go onto my board view, so you can see I have this over here, that I have a completed status. So you can click on add status and add multiple different statuses. So you can have your to-do list, then within over here, let's say I want to create a new status called in progress. So over here, now I have created a new list. So I can just create a new list over here, in progress. So whenever a task begins, I can move it from over here to over here. So I can have a better visual aid to see where the task is. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with ClickUp. All you have to do is add different statuses and you can progress a task ahead. You have your different boards, and within your boards you have lists. And if you click on your top over here, you can add different kinds of views. So you can add a calendar view as well, like this, and this will illustrate all the tasks on a certain date when they need to be completed. You also have other views such as a Gantt view that is also helpful in getting a better timeline of your tasks. Then you also have things like timeline views, you have box views as well. So you have multiple different options for viewership as well. Overall, it's going to be a simple setup process. It's pretty neat and efficient. And if we take a look at the pricing of ClickUp, the best part is that it is available for free with 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, plus collaborative docs, whiteboards, and real-time charts as well. Then you also have an unlimited version starting at $5 per month with unlimited storage, integration, dashboards, permissions, Gantt charts, and custom fields with custom goals and portfolios. Then you also have the business version starting at $12 per member per month, where you have Google SSO, unlimited teams, a custom exporting, and timelines and mind maps. Then you also have a business plus version, which is best for multiple teams, where you have team sharing, subtasks in multiple lists, and custom role creation and permissions as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.